Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested horoscope reading for July. Love and work forecast for Geminis. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know a Gemini, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. And friends, this is a general reading, may or may not resonate. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And also, friends, this is a timeless reading, even though it is for July, you can watch it anytime. So let's see first your theme of the month, Geminis, and then we're gonna look at your love life and your work life. What is the theme for Geminis for the month? Ooh, Gemini, your own card came out. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Page of Swords. Gemini, what is the theme of the month of July for Geminis? Ooh, the Queen of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands. So definitely you are focusing on prosperity. You are focusing, July is about money, success, expansion, career growth, financial security, emotional security, you feeling like the queen or the king. So that is great energy, Geminis. Also, in July, you will become very clear and very focused about what you want. If there were confusions, you you will, if you were confused what to do in your life or love life or career, July will make everything clear for you. It's like crystal clear. You will know what you need to do, you will do it. You will know where you need to go, you will go there. Very, very clear. So, July is bringing you clarity, July is bringing you success, July is bringing you focus and money and prosperity. So, it's a great month for you. Also, if you are struggling right now in achieving some sort of a goal, don't give up. July will tell you don't give up because you are very, very, very close to achieving success, whether it is in love, work, money, life in general. You are very, very close to achieving success. Like you were planning to get married, yes, this is the month. Chances are high. Don't quit. Don't quit on that fitness goal. This month you will succeed. Don't quit on your business. This is the month of success. So this is the month of don't no quitting. This is the month of you expanding, you reaching to new horizons, you finding and attracting money, you becoming a magnet of miracles. You attracting miracles and success. This is a great month, friends. This is a great month for you, Geminis. And communications, news, information, long distance, messages, long distance relationship, online connections, all those things are very important to you. Another thing is, I do see that some of you could be waiting for news from long distance, other cities and countries. That will also be coming. Let's see your love life, Geminis now. Love life for Geminis, July, your love life. Love life for Geminis. Alright, love life for Geminis. No. Interesting. Love life for Geminis in July. Oh, it's a good month. It's a good month for you, friends. Yes. Let's see. So in the first week, Geminis, definitely you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Aries, Leo. I don't know why I said Aries. I think you are because there is an Aries here, but you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person in the first week of July. I see that your focus is you could be getting some new proposals, love messages, your person trying to reach out to you, the person who was in no contact. I see both. If you are single, you will have new person coming and messaging you. If you are married or waiting for a lover, contact of a lover, yes, they will message you in the first week of July. But the talks will be more about the future. You want a connection which last a long time, Gemini. So you are looking for connections which are long lasting, which have a future. So New people or messages from lovers are coming, but if you see no potential in them for the future, or if they don't commit to you about the future, you will be like, nah, I don't want it. You will play hard to get in the first week of July because you want long term commitment. You are very sure. And if someone from long distance will try to reach out to you, someone was in no contact will try to reach out, but you will play hard to get. You know why? Because you want long term commitment. So if they are not committing, you will play hard to get, Geminis. So let's see the second week of July. Wow, second week of July is much much better for you. Finally, the person, they will be able to, the Cold War will end and communications will open. If you were going through, divorce or some sort of other issues, that will also be resolved and clarity and healing will happen. I see that someone will actually offer you love or propose you, like, let's meet, let me move in with you, let me stay with you, let's settle down, let's plan for the future. Yes, I do see contracts, I do see actual you know talks about commitment happening in the second week. Yes, someone wants to work on this relationship with you. They don't want to let you go, Geminis. They want to work on this partnership. And yes, there will be a lot of communications in the second week of July. You both will be trying to work out on and make this relationship better. And communications will be very, very smooth, very beautiful, and more about the future rather than the present. Let's see the third week of July. Yes, in the third week of July, I do see that, things will be getting steamier. There will be a lot of dates, passionate movements happening, dates happening, talks happening. You might have a chance to meet your person. Some of you will actually be end up in a relationship in the third week, especially if you are single. You might be in a relationship, you might go out on a date or some celebration. I do see harmony returning back in your love life in the third week, but there is still, some trust issues are still there in the third week. Let's see what is it about. Yeah, I do feel that you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or family is interfering in your love life in the third week. Like the mother in law is interfering, mothers, or, the family is interfering in some way. Not to call out mothers, no. Just like, someone is interfering. It could be a father, it could be a mother. Family is interfering in your love life, so that you need to keep track of in the third week. Let's see the final week for July. Wow, finally things, confusions are getting over, confusions are sorted, In the final week of July, things in your love life, will be sorted. Your person will try, you will ask, like, will you choose me? Will you marry me? So your person will definitely start choosing you and start, they will they will make a decision by the final week of July that yes, they want you, they will be there for you, they will make a move towards you, a passionate, bold move towards you. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. So the final week of July brings clarity, brings movement, brings, dedication and commitment of your partner. Yes, your partner want to work with you, they want to sort things out with you, they want to take you on a trip, on a holiday. There will be a lot of excitement in July, the final week. You're looking forward to your love life. Let's see some advice for you, Gemini. It's very interesting. Advice for Geminis. Wow, firm foundation and crown chakra. And transformation and third eye chakra. Oh my god, you are dealing with a twin flame or a very, very important connection. Look at that, you have two chakra cards. The crown chakra, telepathy, spiritual union, spiritual soulmates, very high vibrational connections are coming. And third eye chakra, yes, you are very, very connected. You and your person are very connected to each other. If you are single, you're gonna meet a very important soulmate. So keep your patience. Your love life is, your relationships are getting stronger. So all these talks which are happening in July, don't worry, they are only making your relationships stronger. Transformation, yes, things are changing big time in your relationship. If you are single, you might you might start to mingle. If you are dating, you might end up getting married. If you are married, you might end up having a baby. So yes, lots of beautiful changes happening for you, and keep listen to your intuition, it's guiding you. Let's see your career now, Gemini. Okay, Temperance, the Star, the Three of Swords, and what else? Nine of Pentacles, okay, and the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I do feel you are starting July feeling there is less of money. There is you can have more money, but like it's less right now. Some of you are having money issues right now. You're worried about money. When will your money increase? You need to save more money, or you feel expenses are high, but money is coming less. But in July, things will get better, especially financially, friends. Your money is coming in, your businesses will start to work again, and your career will also start to, bring in more money, more clients, more money, more success is coming. So, money is coming. And if you have been, I feel like some of you are very hurt about your career. Like some of you have not been working since a long time, or you are very unhappy at your current job. Some of you want to change your you want your business is not doing well, so you want to leave the business or something, or you want change in that business, positivity in that business. So yes, you are dealing with some issues, Gemini, in your work and career and finances, but in July things will be coming into balance. Things which are out of balance will be coming in balance. If you have no money, you will find money. If you have no support, you will find more support. So life will be coming, your work and career will balance out in the month of July. And yes, listen to your ideas. You will have very heaven sent ideas. Work on them, listen to your intuition, work on your creativity. Your creativity will be very, very high. And some of you will also be connecting with people who are famous, who are creative, who are artists, and all of this will help you, friends, to become more prosperous in July. So don't worry, hang in there. And yes, money issues will be resolved. Money is coming your way. Let's see some advice for our viewers for career. Gemini, advice for Gemini. Oh, no, my God. So, if you are planning to leave or quit a job, don't do it. If you are planning to quit on your business, don't do it. If you are planning to quit on a goal, nope. Why? Because your miracle is right next. You are almost there, to achieve a major, major success, a breakthrough. So, don't quit. Don't quit right now. And don't overspend money. Yes, invest your money. Enjoy the money that's coming in, but don't be spend too much. No, take a step back. Yes, it is time to take a step back. My God, this is such a perfect confirmation of the message I was trying to give you from the angels, that you are on the right path. It is not that you are on the wrong path, Gemini. And in July, let things be, because success is eventually coming your way. Anything else? Yes, listen to your intuition, listen to your heart. It is guiding you, especially in your career, in your relationships. Listen to your heart. Beautiful. Let's see what else for Gemini. Kite, a vacation. Wow, for some of you, a vacation is coming in July. Wall, a misunderstanding. Yeah, there. I think it will be resolved. Lightning, control your anger or you will be sorry. And Mountain Road, you are on the road to success. Yes, friends, you are on the road to success. Torch, you are the guiding light. Spiritual development, enlightenment, and understanding. Spiritually, you are developing a lot, friends. So that is why you should listen to your intuition. You are very, very close to a major breakthrough, a life changing success. Pig, be aware of greed. Yeah, don't be greedy, friends. Don't try to hold on to money. Let it be. Don't worry too much about money. Major challenge to overcome. Yeah, I do feel that you feel money is the biggest thing you need to focus on right now. Or you feel like not enough money is coming in, but it will be resolved. Affairs with family. Family is very important to you in July. Owl, good advice from a wise person. So yes, good advice is coming from for you. Victory will happen. Yes, you will achieve a legal victory in love or work or romance. Changes in your life. Yes, your life is changing. It is becoming better. You are definitely going to achieve a lot of prosperity, a lot of financial money. So good luck, Geminis. And subscribe Magic Vents Tarot and like and share. Join us on Insta. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic Z saying bye bye.